Hey, good looking, what you got a cooking? Why don't you cook something up for me? Oh, what's on fire? It's a bit smoky, babe.
Because of this.
So, what we're doing today?
Hello guys, today I'm gonna cook a chicken curry because some of our subscribers, most of them, they request to cook me again more dishes.
They request you to cook you again.
What you just said is one of the most insanely idiotic things I have ever heard.
Yes.
What's
Because
that mean?
They like it. Huh?
You mean they've requested that you cook something again?
Yeah, Filipino foods.
Not cook you, because we don't want to cook you, do we? You're looking rather sexy cooking, Mel. What's going on?
Because I'm gonna go later somewhere.
You're going to go later somewhere? What, without me? You've not
It's only me.
passed this
So
by
today
me?
guys, I'm gonna cook, it's called chicken curry. You tried that before?
I love your chicken curry, yeah.
Yeah, it's the ingredients is come here.
Let's have a look at the ingredients, yeah.
It's garlic,
Garlic, love garlic.
ginger,
Yeah.
onion,
Onion,
yes, and then carrots, and then
Potato.
potato, and then what's this? Coconut.
that's coconut milk,
No. Sugar.
is it? You know you're going to get the ball if you're not careful, don't you?
Chicken.
And stolen chicken, that's great.
Can you shut up?
Can you
Steven? I want to finish. And then fish sauce.
Fish sauce.
And then pepper, black pepper. That's it.
Now,
It's very simple.
is it the ground pepper or the little bitty pepper?
Ground pepper.
Right, so it's smooth.
It's up to you if you want the tiny.
Right,
Doesn't
it's up to you
matter.
which one you put
Yeah.
in. Okay,
So, this.
let's go.
You're gonna eat rice.
I'll have a little bit of rice, but you know what I'm like with rice. I'm trying to cook down, guys, to get rid of my stomach because none of my shirts fit me now. She tried to buy me some shirts the other day and they were just too small.
Onion.
Because I take extra large,
I
girl.
love cooking as well.
I'm pleased you love cooking, babe,
Why?
because it means I don't have to try.
What do you
Smells
know?
nice.
Okay.
That garlic, I love the smell of garlic.
Yeah. Some of our subscribers, Brit,
Mm.
they want me to cook more Filipino food. Normally, guys, we just cook just only chicken, right? We did not. Sometimes, yeah, but not often, like chicken, right? The pork, because it's high blood.
Yeah.
We cause high blood, but
I'll-
chicken, it's alright, right?
Yeah, I love the pork, but the chicken's a bit more healthy. I can't talk and then keep checking and looking to see where the camera's pointing because it misses your
Let's repeat
head.
again.
We've just been shut down on about 3 times while we've started the video with this camera. It just keeps shutting down. It's really annoying. It's impossible. Right, I was going to say, Mel,
Chicken curry.
and look, my battery was at 100% now when we started. It's 40%.
Because your camera is rubbish.
Yeah. So we've had one or two comments saying, "Are you pregnant, Mel?"
I'm not pregnant, look. Oh.
You've just got a rice belly.
Yeah, it's a baby belly.
It's a baby belly, yes, because Filipinos are baby making machines. That's why we've got 2 kids,
Oi.
not 1. What?
I already put the powder chicken curry
Right, we've
powder
got the
there.
chicken curry powder in. That's why it's coloured up, guys.
And then I'm gonna put the chicken there. Whoa.
Not chicken. I love chicken though. I mean, who doesn't like chicken? And the chicken here, as long as it's marinated and cooked properly, is really nice.
Just fry a few minutes when it's brown.
How do you know the chicken's cooked then, Mel?
So it's brown. No?
Right.
No, because it's the if you're gonna compare it to meat, it's easy to cook the
Chicken.
yeah.
Because
Then
I'm just saying
What?
because I undercooked some chicken on a
And
barbecue and I was ill the next day, so I must have had food poisoning for about 3 days. Because the chicken looked cooked and it had been on long enough, but obviously hadn't, because when you're biting into it, there's still blood on it.
yeah,
Oh, you're putting wine in.
yeah, wine. It's not wine. It's
I know it is. I'm just, you know.
because our subscribers
Oh my
believe
God.
that. So don't joke, okay?
I'll not joke. We're down to 36. The battery's draining stupidly quick.
Did you smell? What smell? Nice.
It smells lovely, yeah. I love your chicken curry. I love curry anyway. But I like it when it's really spicy.
Yeah.
Spicy.
You can put as well here, what's it called? The green thing. Chili, you can put here.
The peppers.
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, look. Because I want to fry the chicken. A little bit brown.
It's
Then
looking
after
nice.
that, you're gonna put half of water. Half cup of water.
Yeah, when I said she's stealing the chicken, guys, of course I'm not being serious. I'm just messing about. Starting to look really nice now. Look. Wish you could smell it, guys. It smells really nice.
Yeah, I'm hungry now, so I did not eat lunch.
You did not yet. I'm sure she's got some Russian in her, guys. But like I said on live stream, you're part Chinese, aren't you? Your uncle's Chinese. Did you say your uncle?
No, my granddad is
Oh, your
from
granddad.
Chinese.
Right.
The father of my dad. But I did not saw him.
No, he died before you were born.
Yeah.
So you're from Chinese descent then?
Yeah. Yes,
See, I always wanted to marry a woman from China. That's probably why we've got together now. Yeah, because I saw the Chinese in you. You might see a mouse trap on the floor, guys, and that's because we've got about 4 mice. We thought we had about 2, but it turns out it looks like we've got about 4. What you're making here, there's plenty of chicken now, so I'm guessing that would serve about 3-4 people.
5. It depends, but you can eat 3 pieces there, right?
Oh, easy, yeah. Because I don't always have rice, do I? But
Yeah.
you're putting more vegetables in it, aren't you?
That's the problem. Because you did not eat rice.
Yeah,
I'm gonna put water
you're
there.
putting water in now to make the gravy.
That's why
Let's cool it down a bit.
little bit hot.
So, what about, like I've asked you before when you're cooking before,
What?
is there anything else vegetable-wise you could put into it? I know you keep saying this is the recipe, but you could add something else, couldn't you? To
Bell
make-
pepper.
Yeah, you've said the bell pepper.
Yeah, that's it.
That's it, nothing more.
Nothing more.
Okay. So how long does it normally take to cook this
Boil
chicken in the...
10 minutes. Let's wait when the water is boiled.
Right.
Then after that, I'm gonna put the carrots.
And
I want to put,
potato.
no, after 5 minutes, I'm gonna put the potato because the carrot is harder than
The potato.
potato.
Right.
Because you don't want overcook, right?
No, not really.
Yeah.
Well, the percentage of the battery hasn't gone up at all, though.
It's already boiling, just showing.
Right, okay. We've not got a lot of battery. Tell you guys, this camera's
I'm gonna put
garbage.
a ground pepper. Yeah.
Brown pepper, you mean black pepper?
Ground pepper. I
Oh,
said.
ground pepper, beg your pardon.
And then
The
carrots.
bottom of it. The Centers for Disease Control wanted to
looks
build
nice,
China.
that.
The U.S. has offered a
Little
lot
bit of
help,
rice
including sending
with
the
the
CDC
gravy on it.
to investigate
It
what
smells
the
gorgeous.
situation and how severe
Because
it
of
is.
the
But says now
chicken curry powder.
That's right. The Chinese government has consistently blocked
I always
American
cook
scientists who are obviously
first the
very best in
carrots,
world,
after
going to
around
Wuhan, going to Hubei,
5 minutes, I'm gonna put the
make sure
potato.
that this virus is contained to the greatest extent possible, to discover its origins, to shed light on what that may mean for successful
very-
testing and vaccines. But the Chinese
on?
Communist Party
Yeah.
Is it very
continues to
easy?
refuse that offer of
Simple
assistance from the United
ingredients.
States.
Can you get
Chinese
in
ambassador
UK potato?
Yeah,
Carrots,
can
how
get
about curry
all that.
powder?
Yeah, can get all that. Yeah.
Very
Yeah,
easy.
you could make it, even in the US. I mean, it's not rocket science, I could make that.
But at the same time, people need to be educated
It's a
in terms
Filipino
of what
dish.
exists in this
Yeah.
region in China.
Curry.
Is it made a lot then, Mal, or is it, you know,
In what they make.
does Filipinos make this a lot?
Yeah.
China and his fellow communists.
Because you do make it, but you don't make it that much. Is it because of the chicken?
We should not take their word.
Because the chickens, again, I've got to be careful what I say on it.
But we do
For our budget, the chicken's quite expensive, so this is like, we're doing it for the video.
create a situation where we have
Just switched off again, guys. This is getting a bit annoying.
and we have not been able to air
We're doing it for the video, so that's why we bought it.
This has done. In other words, the Chinese
But this would be like, maybe once a month we'd have something like this.
proceeded to send a delegation to the White House to shake everybody's
But I love the
hand.
chicken.
Phase
Oh,
one China
I mean,
deal.
I'd eat all
They
that
sent the largest
myself.
ever delegation to Davos
That's how much of a pig I am, and that's why I'm putting so much weight on.
Downplaying of this virus
Because I try not to eat and just do things in moderation every day, and then we'll get a pizza and then the lasagna, and it's like I just haven't got the willpower. So you're putting the potatoes in now. Very
Yes,
nice.
and then
people have been better protected, but the entire world might have been better.
Coconut milk.
This is just a pattern of Chinese
Look at that.
dishonesty from the very beginning.
Hey, hey, that's going to do me diet a lot of good, guys, isn't it?
Only a couple hundred more cases, or maybe 1,000 more cases a day,
Screaming.
almost 14,000 cases in a single day. That wasn't the result of any scientific discovery. That was a political decision to finally reveal what they knew to be true, yet they are still...
Now you see, guys, I like rice with certain dishes, but I can't eat rice like Filipinos eat rice.
just a little bit.
You know, it's morning, lunch, tea time, supper time, everything's rice. Right, and how much of that sauce do you put in?
Just put a little by little, by little.
But how do you know you've got enough in?
You can taste it when it's satisfied. If you're satisfied for that dish, so more.
You've got to be satisfied.
Nice.
Of the symptoms of coronavirus.
If you're not satisfied, just put more. You're gonna
The CDC developed effective and
So, from your experience, there's 2 little lidfuls. Is that enough?
people are infected with the
2 small lids.
Yeah.
not infected. That's unfortunately happened.
It depends on your taste.
So that gives you a little bit more taste, does it?
Yeah.
Thank you.
So it doesn't
Because
taste bland.
I can't able to say like how many spoons.
For the House
Because
Judiciary
it
Committee
depends
on
as well
March
on
31st.
Because not everybody would like as much as or as less as you.
Yeah, it depends on how many.
Let's bring in Florida
I've got you.
Matt Gates, he's a member of the House Judiciary, Armed Services and Budget Committees.
And you know, guys, the Filipino people, like for example, if I cook this and then nobody wants to eat, I'm gonna bring that to our neighbor.
Yeah,
Amen.
there's lots of times you've done that.
Because the Filipino, it's my blood, right? The Filipino, they don't want to waste food. That's what they sharing.
So even if it's cold,
Yeah,
they'll still eat it.
yes.
I
Because Filipino is not a juicy. Like
I'll just pause that what I've been reading now. Can you just hold the camera and just hold it on
Try-
the food?
Try that. You want more or is enough now?
That's gorgeous. I like that.
Yeah?
Yeah. So don't watch it because it keeps shutting down there.
Okay. Look guys, it's very nice. Hope you like, guys. It's very easy to cook. It's more, it's more tasty when you put the coconut.
Yeah.
It's creamy.
I was just going to put the fan on, guys, but it's too loud.
Please subscribe to Brit in the Philippines.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire.